Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your study abroad enrollment with TEAN, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To cancel your study abroad enrollment with TEAN, start by visiting their official website. Log into your student account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the My Applications section. Locate the application you wish to cancel. Click on the application to open its details. Look for the cancellation option, usually found at the bottom of the page. Review the cancellation policy carefully to understand any potential financial implications. Click on the cancellation option to initiate the process. You may be prompted to fill out a cancellation form. Complete the form with the required information, including your reason for cancellation. Double-check all your entries for accuracy. Submit the cancellation form. After submission, monitor your email for a confirmation from TEAN regarding your cancellation. Make sure to keep this confirmation for your records. If you do not receive confirmation within a few days, contact TEAN's support team. Provide them with your details and request an update on your cancellation status. Finally, note any deadlines for future applications, should you wish to study abroad at a later time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.